Hi, everyone. Patrick here from the executive team at the corporate office at the Root Brands, here to talk to you about RootPrime subscription. I want to talk to you about how to log in and how to set up your registration for your RootPrime account. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. First off, this is our home screen. So you're going to go ahead and click login and sign up. And if you're new to us and you're a new customer, you're going to need to register for an account. You'll do so right here, and you'll just click the register button. Because I'm an existing member for the Root Brands, my information is already here, so I'm just going to go ahead and click login. To access RootPrime and to see some of its benefits, you're going to go ahead and click the RootPrime. This tab shows you all the benefits that you're going to get. So you get a $15 shipping token that gets put towards your second order and beyond. You get white glove customer service, you get exclusive drops, and you get just access to all the wonderful products that we have shipped to you each month. So we're going to go down here and we're going to click shop now. So that's going to bring you to all the products that we have that you can order on RootPrime. So we have a different couple methods that you can order product. We have add to cart and we have subscribe to RootPrime. If you want just a one-time purchase, you would just add the cart. If you want to subscribe to RootPrime, which is a monthly delivery service that you'll get the product shipped to you every month at your discretion, you're going to click subscribe to RootPrime. So I'm going to go ahead and add a bottle of Clean Slate and subscribe to my RootPrime. Now you're going to see that it's going to go ahead and take me to my back office and my RootPrime subscription back office. You can see that I haven't set up my account because I'm currently not active. You're going to see here one bottle of Clean Slate, which was added on March 4th. I'm going to update my billing and shipping address that was already saved for me from a previous order. I'm going to set up my Prime processing date. You'll see here, since this is my first order, the shipping price is there. For all future orders, you'll get a $15 token towards that shipping price. And then you're going to enter in your payment method. And then you're going to click this box to agree to our terms and conditions, and then click sign up. Once you've signed up, you'll receive a congratulations email, and you'll also be here directed to this page. You have a couple different options. You can go back to your RootPrime back office, or you can contact us at our customer service for that white glove service if you have any additional questions. Thanks for tuning in, and have a wonderful rest of your day.